In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Apple Maps to walking, driving, cycling, and more as of 2025. It's quite straightforward, but understanding each step will ensure you get the most accurate directions tailored to your preferred mode of travel. So let's dive into it. First things first, open the Apple Maps app on your device. The app is easily recognizable by its icon featuring a colorful map layout, so go ahead and give that a tap. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with your current location. Now let's enter your destination. Simply tap on the search bar, type in the name of the place you're going to, and tap on it from the list of options that pop up. This process is crucial because it sets the stage for you to get the most precise directions possible. After you've set your destination, you'll want to tap on Directions. This is the option that will lead you to the heart of our task today, choosing the mode of travel that suits your needs. Now comes the interesting part, choosing your preferred travel mode. Apple Maps offers various options, each catering to different needs and environments. Let's explore them. For those of you driving, selecting driving will provide routes optimized for car travel, complete with traffic updates and road conditions. If you're planning to walk, you'll choose walking. This mode is perfect for identifying footpaths or routes that are safe and accessible to pedestrians. Cyclists will be happy to know there's a cycling option, but keep in mind that this is available in select cities. It offers routes that prioritize bike lanes and bike-safe roads. If your journey involves public transport, the transit option is your friend. It guides you through buses, trains, and even subway systems. Lastly, for those relying on rideshare services, Ride provides the information you need for services like Uber or Lyft. Once you have decided on your mode of transport, you simply need to tap the corresponding icon that represents your choice. Don't rush this part, make sure you've selected the mode that aligns with how you wish to travel. After tapping, you'll see a list of routes. Look through these to find one that suits your time frame and needs best. When you've selected your preferred route, tap Go. This activates the real-time navigation feature, meaning you'll receive live updates and guidance all the way to your destination. By following these steps, you can customize your Apple Maps experience to suit your travel needs perfectly. We hope this has been helpful, making your navigation smarter and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy travels.